All right, YouTube, I need to get another video on here, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a quick update. What I'm going to go over today is shea butter and crystallization. Shea butter with the natural refined, unrefined shea butter that we use, it does crystallize. It's a normal thing. We do try to cut down as much as we can through the process of making our balm, but you will experience crystallization. That's that gritty feeling you get in the balm sometimes. It doesn't hurt the balm, it doesn't hurt the shea butter, and it does not affect how the product works. All it's going to do is feel a little grittier in your hand when you go to rub it together and you break it all down. Once you get it all broken down, those crystals will go right away, and then it'll work just fine in your beard. So that's what the crystallization and that little bit of grit is. I want you guys to be aware of it and know that it's not a problem. It's okay. Another note is it's got different scents have a little more crystallization than others, but none of it hurts it. It's fine. It's the way it's supposed to be. So feel free to use it. If it's gritty, and that's a normal part of shea butter, and using all natural products. And we're going to stick with the all natural products because we think it's important to put good stuff in your beard. So on that note, we're going to move on into the Facebook group. So we have a Facebook group page. This is a private group. You have to request to join. We are having a blast in there. It's not very big. I don't know, I think it's 250, 260 people right now. But what it is we've got our, when we have a sale, we tell them they're first. So when you find out that there's a sale first, and I have a sale on a shirt, and I only have one size, and you need that size, if you're in the group, you find out first, you hop on the site, you go grab the shirt, and you get it for the sale price. So that's one of the cool things about being part of that group is you can probably get a deal, go grab it before anybody else runs out. Another great thing, we're making new products. When we make new products, who do you think we go to for our testers? I think we just ask new people that have never bought anything or not part of our group and don't give us feedback and participate in our polls. Come on, guys. We need feedback. We need people who are active and give us the information back. And those are the people inside a Facebook group that are great for that. These folks are active and they're talking to us and letting us know what they think of things. So guess what we're going to continue to do? We're going to give them the products so that they can test them and we can get the information back. Thank you, Facebook group folks. Also, the Facebook group, 3 questions. You have to answer 3 questions. If you get the first 2 wrong, I'm not even upset. I might giggle at you a little bit, but you're probably getting in. You get the last one wrong, you cannot be in the group. Folks, you can't be in the group if you get the last question wrong. We've asked this, and it's overwhelmingly in support of. If you get that question wrong, you can't be in the group. Hopefully you'll understand it when you ask, or when you ask the questions. Hopefully you'll understand why we say that, and you'll think it's funny too. If not, that's okay. If you don't answer any of the questions, we're not going to approve you for that either, because I'm looking for somebody who's active and gives me feedback, and for the group to talk with other friends inside that group, and you don't answer 3 questions. Okay, that's too much to ask. I'm not going to feel bad about saying decline. So it's going to be a group, it's going to be private, and you're going to have to do things, and we're going to take care of you when you're inside of that group. Another note on Facebook and our social media. We have a contest going on. It started yesterday. There's 2 contests. Both of them are essentially the same, but one is for Facebook, one of them is for Instagram. The Instagram contest, you need to tag a friend, ask them to follow, and then when we get to 1,500 followers, we're going to give that entire picture worth of stuff away, which is beard wash, beard balm, beard oil, stickers, coasters. Everything in that picture is going to go, and it's going to be shipped to anyone in the US that wins, but we're going to pick the names from those folks who said, I'm tagging my friends to help you get followers, and I want you to know about this. So those are the names we're going to pick from. We're probably just going to put them in a hat, something simple, haven't decided all of that yet. That's the Instagram contest. Now the Facebook contest it's exactly the same. We're looking for more followers. We're looking for 2,200 followers. So you tag a friend and you ask them to follow. Now you've entered the contest. The rules are simple. We didn't make it outrageous. You don't have to tag and do this and go get this other guy and share it and show us you shared it. No, you tag somebody, you ask them to follow us, and then you're entered into the contest. And when we hit 2,200 likes on Facebook, we're going to give that prize away too. So you have a chance to win 2 full sets of our stuff. So don't miss that. Get over there on those social media sites of ours and follow, like, we even have Twitter. We don't have a contest going there, but we have Twitter. Get on Twitter too. Of course, please subscribe to this channel. So that covers everything that's going on. The new items that are coming out, we're going to test them on there. Got 2 new scents coming, guys. One is going to be out here pretty soon. That brings you up to date. Here's our unedited video today. Please tell me what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know below here. Or you can go ahead and reach out on, Facebook and Instagram, where you could possibly win something. Go ahead and head over there too. Thanks for everything. Keep your face jacket on.